Honey, can you pop my bag for me? Not hard. I'm scared.
Relax. Relax, right?
That was jumping on me.
What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Let me go and shit. Fucking weird.
What?
Your mom's an idiot.
Cracked my bag.
Crack your what?
My bag.
Your thigh?
My bag.
Was that pop? Oh my god, that shit was so loud. I thought that was your mouth.
What?
Your mom wanted me to crack her back. So I cracked her back.
No.
It feels good.
No.
Did it feel good, right? Did it feel good?
You need to do it.
Yeah, what cracked then? What cracked?
Is your body coming apart?
What cracked?
The noodles in my mouth.
Oh my god, man, you want the fuck out.
Is it